My name is Brent Arnold. I am a 17-year-old maker. I mostly do woodworking. I started at age 9 doing wood carving, and eventually I started doing other things. I got into woodshop class in high school and also into wood turning, so kind of expanding my skills to do all sorts of other things. My main goal with this channel is to teach and inspire others to create things for themselves. Some of the other things I do, I also sell pieces I make, and I do a lot of different social media things, showing people how to make things through both like Instagram and Facebook.